In this video, I'll show you how to find market cap on Yahoo Finance. It's a quick and useful skill if you're researching stocks or tracking company values. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and go to Yahoo Finance. You can type in finance.yahoo.com if you're not there already. In the search bar at the top, enter the company name or ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple or MSFT for Microsoft. Then hit enter. On the company overview page, scroll down just a bit until you see the key statistics section. Right there, you'll find the market cap, usually listed near the top of that section. It'll show the number in billions or trillions, depending on the size of the company. Quick tip: if you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or double-checking the spelling of the ticker symbol. That's all it takes to find the market cap using Yahoo Finance. No need to dig through reports or complicated tools. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick finance tips. See you next time.